Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba akajala ukan rat ke sangma habajubab halor ka themator ulaong baki Paidbah Kidei Sngewnguh ya ka Sorkar jala ka bamenta ka bashim ya ki senjam ki bedei bat ka jing Pynkynriah ya ki basyong basa hagani ka jaka ula benrap hagini ki san pos nam empat don ka nuka Sorkar ka bashim khia khamtam ban Pynkynriah ya ki Harijan na themator ule thu baka Sorkar hagajing akran halor ka ni ka jing thmu ban Pynkynriah kalayat shat bat satang khandiat ke badang sa bat shen kin sala ban pendep no Menteri Rangba ula benrap da ka baong bah ka jing sngo briu kalong ka basuk ban pendep no wat hapo ka ar phosau kanta henry ka don ka daw hakini kisan phosnam balalit no balai baka Sorkar kampat la ban Pynkynriah hadu menta ulaong ban Pynkynriah yaki nakate ka jaka ki don kam ban pet benya shwa yaki jingja ki balaja menshwa habaro kiliang Shibun kijing ngiya kendu ban pendep ya kena kam haduk bangin dayo ya ki daw ki batikna ki basyongnya bat ngin sala ban Pynkynriah no ya ki Harijan na themator.
Well, 50 years this has been there, and you will appreciate, and the state and the people will appreciate that for the first time actually there's been a serious move by any government to relocate them. When we are trying to address a complex situation like this, there are complexities that we come up with. So therefore, obviously we would want things to happen in the next 24 hours. But there is a reason why it did not happen the last 50 years, because of the different complications that were there. And you must appreciate the kind of efforts and the work that is going on to resolve this in the most amicable manner. There are many factors that affect this. It's very easy for anybody to say, okay, solve it today, solve it tomorrow, solve it the day after. But you need to look back at the history and realize that this is a very complicated problem and situation with many different angles to it, many legal issues around it, and we have to work around all these issues, take into account all the sentiments and everything, and come up with a solution that is going to be the most appropriate and most acceptable and most amicable in nature. And hence, it does require time. So therefore, in spite of all the efforts that we put in, we need to realize that these kind of situations will require time to resolve. We are almost at the point where we are close to resolution, and the citizens must appreciate that, and I'm sure most appreciate it. But let me assure the citizens also that we are on this, and we will find, we are very close to finding a solution, and we will be finally able to take the last bit of actions that are left to be taken and resolve this at the end.